Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about 10 fruits that help fight cavities and heal teeth. But before we start our video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Now, let's begin our video. We all know that brushing and flossing are huge for keeping our teeth strong. But did you know that a couple of natural products can also help with combating cavities and keeping your teeth strong? These natural products are loaded with nutrients and other beneficial things that protect your teeth. Coming up next are 10 natural products that can help with stopping cavities and healing your teeth. 1. Apples. Apples are often called nature's toothbrush. When you eat an apple, the crunchy texture helps clean your teeth. It removes food trapped in your mouth and helps make more saliva. This extra saliva helps wash away bacteria that can cause cavities. 2. Cranberries. Cranberries have a unique type of antioxidant that keeps bad bacteria from sticking to your teeth. This reduces plaque, which is a sticky layer that can cause cavities. Try to eat fresh cranberries because dried or sweetened ones often have a lot of sugar. Kiwi is ample in L-ascorbic corrosive, which is ideal for your gums. Strong gums are huge for strong teeth. Accepting that your gums are strong, your teeth are less disposed to get sorrows. Strawberries contain a trademark destructive called malate corrosive, which can help with lighting up your teeth. They moreover have L-ascorbic corrosive, which is truly perfect for your gums. Strawberries help with fighting tiny creatures off, which can keep openings from molding. Oranges are overflowing with L-ascorbic corrosive, which keeps your gums sound and solid. Sound gums defend your teeth from microorganisms. The destructive in oranges also helps increase spit, which can clean your teeth ordinarily. 6. Pineapple. Pineapple has a protein called bromelain, which helps clean your teeth. Bromelain can take out stains and separate plaque, which keeps your teeth free from pits. Pineapples also help your mouth make more saliva, which is ideal for washing away microorganisms. 7. Blueberries. Blueberries have cell fortifications that can kill dreadful minuscule creatures in your mouth. They also have natural chemical compounds that keep microorganisms from sticking to your teeth, which helps prevent plaque and cavities. Pomegranates are stacked with malignant growth avoidance specialists that fight illnesses in your mouth. Drinking pomegranate juice can help with diminishing plaque on your teeth. Notwithstanding, endeavor to avoid sweet pomegranate drinks, as the extra sugar can hurt your teeth. Pears are low destructive normal items that can kill disastrous acids in your mouth. These acids can incapacitate your completion and cause openings. Pears moreover have fiber, which helps clean your teeth while you with gnawing. Bananas are abundant in minerals like potassium and magnesium, which help with bracing tooth facade. Strong enamel safeguards your teeth from holes. Since bananas are low and destructive, they are sensitive on your teeth and won't break down the facade. Adding these natural items to your eating routine can help with protecting your teeth from pits and keep your mouth sound. While these normal items are perfect for your teeth, make sure to brush, floss, and visit the dental expert reliably for the best thought. Pursuing great eating routines, food sources developed starting from the earliest stage dental inclinations, will give you a splendid sound smile. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you people like this video. See you soon with another informative health topic. Till then, stay healthy.